Tigger, what are you doing? He's decided to take a nap on my bed and claim me. Tigger. Tigger, what are you doing? I can't have you slide. Nope. Come here. You can't slide off the bed this time, I promise. You've done that one too many times as of late. What, you're just gonna pass out on my bed? The we had an agreement. Only at like 5 o'clock at night. Tigger. What are you doing? You gonna take a nap? Yeah? That's what you're gonna do? You're gonna take a nap? All you do is sleep. What are you gonna do? Is it nap time? I guess it is. It's because Grandma's out of town that you've decided to cause. You would think. It's not even that close and it still does that. What are you doing? What are you doing? Is he beating the mattress again? Sorry guys, my window's open, so outside's kind of noisy. Teleport. You gonna chase the gopher? Yeah, we have a gopher in the yard again. Tigger. Come on, Whiskers. What are you doing? Pat, pat, pat. Yeah? Yeah? Come on, we had an agreement. You won't lick me. You already do that when I give you your treats. Come on. Oh. What are you doing? Surprised you didn't bother to take a nap in my closet today. So you'd like to scare her. What? Oh! And he's the class A fall for him lately. All he does is